So starting today and also going forward, we're going to be using our graphing calculators a bit more intensively, and I wanted to make this video to show you how you can get it on your phone and also how to use it to graph. So I'm using an Android. If you're using an Android, you go to the Play Store. For Apple people, I don't know what you do. I hope you have a Play Store. So you're going to look for I'm going to search for this TX 84 plus CE, and when I search for that, like when I click on that to search, it brings up options. That's too fast. And this first option right here that says graphing, this one, graphing calculator plus 84 graph, that's what I'm going to select. And you also click install. Since it's already installed on my phone, I'll just click open. When I open it, if I want to graph something, first thing I'll do is click Y. Y is this right here. So I click that Y and it brings up this. Let me first clear what I did before. Clear. Now my graph is letting me select more than 2 graphs. My app, because I paid for it, it's only 7,000 shillings, and you can pay with mobile money. But you don't even need it to show you all the graphs, you don't need all the premium features which you have to pay for. You can still do everything with just what you have right now. So you're working on pages 17 and 18 of your workbook, the quadratic graphs section, and it's mostly review of last year. So I'm going to do part A, y equals x squared. If I want to graph y equals x squared, it's already y0 means y0 means the first graph, or the first function that I'm graphing, and that's x squared. If I want to type x squared, I'll go to alpha, and then I'll push x, which is right here. And then when I type that, I'll push the graph button to graph the function. So let me show you. So push alpha, push x, squared is right here. I don't think I showed you, but yeah, squared is right here, this one. So push x squared, and if I wanted to graph x squared, I'll push the graph button, and then it graphs y equals x squared. So when I graph it, I see what it looks like, and then you'll go to your worksheet and sketch it in your worksheet. The second graph is x squared minus 2. So again, I'll push y, and then I'll go right here to the second graph. I check it so that my calculator can show it on the same graph. Then again, I'll go to alpha, x, right here, squared, minus 2. Push graph. When I graph, I see that this time it's the blue function, the blue graph, and it's been shifted down 2 units. It's shifted down or transformed down 2 units along the y-axis. So I hope you can see that adding a value or subtracting a value. Let's try the third one so that you can see this more clearly. The third one is x squared plus 1. This time we subtracted a value, but in this one we're adding a value. X squared plus 1. If I push graph, I can see that the new graph, the green graph, is shifted 1 unit on the y-axis. Because when I zoom in, it shows you that that's a 1 on the y-axis. It's transformed 1 unit upwards. So I hope you can see that adding a value after the x squared term shifts the graph 1 unit upward, and then subtracting shifts the graph 1 unit downwards. So yeah, that's how you use it to graph. Now my calculator is letting me select all these options because, like I told you, I paid for it, but yours is only letting you use the first 2, and really that's enough. But if you want to pay for it, 7,000 on mobile money. Alright, bye.